Just here to unbox a little clamp. It's a little ARCA clamp. You can see the name there. It's they say novel gold DSLR clamp holder head, but yeah, it's probably just a generic clamp. I am I'll put that over there. Probably should get less reflection, but maybe not. So I mount cameras and things onto rails. So if you get something like this plate, an ARCA plate, this is just a generic clamp. So, but it's quite small, this one, compared to. I'm always looking for ways to lower the bulk and lower the weight, because when you start carrying all this stuff around, it does make a difference. Okay, so anyway, that's it. It's done up quite tight, and that's all right. Okay, so it's got obviously a 3/8, but it's got an adapter in the 3/8 down to a 1/4. So yeah, you're right to use that for 1/4 straight away. But just so on your plate, so that's a clamp. So if you put that onto a ball head or something, it's quite small, quite narrow, so it's going to be quite light. Probably what I would have, I'm probably going to have some sort of tripod, small tripod with a 1/4 inch mount at the top, and that'll go into here. And this just all means that when I'm finished, I can undo everything and pack it all into a neat little area. There's another one there that I've been using, but you can see how much bigger that is compared to this. So it's significantly smaller, lighter, which is what I want. You can even use these, you could use this on a ball head too if you wanted to. But yeah, that's it. I'll let you know if there's any issues with it, but it seems like it fits the standard plate fine. So that's all you need it to do. I don't know whether this will, yeah, it's got a stop so you can't undo it too far. Pretty cheap. Trying to remember the price. Now it'll probably vary all the time, but yeah, okay, so 14 Australian dollars, so about 10 US dollars basically. So yep, that's that. Thanks for watching. Just to add to that video, something I didn't notice before, which I only just noticed as I went to put it away. This actually has, so ARCA plate, standard ARCA plate fitting on the top to clamp, but it also has a ARCA plate fitting on the bottom. So you can actually clamp this onto a ball head or something. So if you've got something mounted on there, yeah, that could be quite handy. Yeah, just thought I'd add that on. Thanks for watching.